This is the installation guide on how to install a power lift kit on your Matrix GT truck topper. The Matrix Power Lift Kit is designed to be retrofitted on current GT models and those purchased after June 2025. Here are the tools you will need for installation. First, remove the driver's side D-ring bracket by removing the 5/16 inch nuts and place the switch bracket onto the studs. Now reattach the D-ring bracket to the studs and readjust as needed for latching. To switch gas struts, insert a flathead screwdriver to loosen the clip in the head and pull outward. Putting upward pressure on the topper will help to remove the strut. Once the strut is off, replace it with the new strut from the actuator kit by simply pushing them onto the existing ball studs. Always install with the gas cylinder attached at the top and the piston rod attached at the bottom. This extends the longevity of your gas struts. With your new power actuators, you will now install the ball studs into the unused riv nuts in the front of the topper. Tighten with a 1/2 inch wrench. Next, push the actuators onto the ball studs with the cylinder and cable side down and the piston rod side up. Next, let's move on to the latch plate. Remove the latch plate on each side of the topper shell by unscrewing the 5/16 inch bolts. Remove the cable from the existing latch and replace that latch with the new powered latch. Reattach the cable to the latch and plug in the pre-run wire that is located inside the double wall. Install the latch plate back into the topper shell on each side. Unscrew the ECU plate on the left side of the topper base. This is located between the strut and actuator that we just installed. Align the ECU with the provided screw holes on the inside of the ECU plate and attach ECU with the hardware that came in your kit. Before reinstalling the ECU, run the wires from both actuators and wiring harnesses through the provided routes. Plug into the corresponding ports as shown. The remaining connector ends will run up to your car battery for ground and power. Neatly clean up and organize cables behind the ECU plate and reattach the plate with ECU and wires inside of the double wall. Check that your new latches and the D-rings on the topper are latching correctly and creating a tight fit and tight seal on your truck bed. You have now installed the Powerlift kit on your Matrix GT truck topper.